Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava, and today we will know about the topic Photoshop. Photoshop is an application software. Application software, that means we use according to our requirement. It is a graphic editing software. That means we can add graphics, that means the image. We can edit the image, we can combine the image, we can cut the part of the image and use in the different image. For that purpose Photoshop is used. That's why it is called graphics editing software. Usable on a variety of operating system and available in a variety of languages. Enable you to create website layouts and attractive graphic designs. With the most, it provides a variety of tools. Using that, many professional photographers are using this tool for the creative work. Now, features of Photoshop: user-friendly interface, enhance or resize pictures without losing the quality of the image, remove the unwanted object from the picture, can create graphics for web application, and the layer feature is also available. Using it effects, layer effects preserve the original state of an image while manipulating another version of it through another layer. Now we will know about the different types of tools. Selection tool. Selection tool is used to select the image or a part of it to perform operation with images. Different types of selection tool. There are two types of selection tool: rectangular marquee tool and the lasso tool. Rectangular tool is used to select an image or a part of it in a rectangular, square, elliptical shape, or as a row or column that is 1 pixel wide. Lasso tool. Lasso tool is used for freehand selection. There are three types of lasso tool. First, lasso tool, it is used for freehand drawing. Polygonal lasso tool, it helps to make freehand selection, but its contour is made up of the straight line. Magnetic lasso tool. The magnetic lasso tool is useful for quickly selecting objects with complex edges. Using this tool, the border snaps to edge of the defined area in the image. Next is quick selection tool. This tool is used for quick selection. It finds and follows the defined edges in the image automatically. Magic wand tool. It is used to select the adjacent area of the same color in an image. The three options given with the magic wand tools are: tolerance 0 to 255. All the colors are made up of only three colors: RGB, red, green and blue, and their range is 0 to 255. Anti-alias produces smooth edges by partially filling the edged pixels. Contiguous limit the selection to adjacent pixels only. These are the part of magic wand tool. Move tool. This tool is used to drag a selected part of an image to a new location in the image. Cropping tool. Cropping tool is used to select a specified area that you want to focus on and removes the unwanted parts and or everything outside the selected area of a picture. Gradient tool. The gradient tool allows you to fill the area with a range of colors in a specified pattern. The gradient of color can be filled with linear, radial, angle, reflected, and the diamond gradients. Paint bucket tool. This tool is used to fill an image or a part of it with different colors based on the tolerance or a range of colors. Now the exercise of this chapters are given only the objective questions, fill in the blanks, true false and the multiple choice question. You have to complete this work and after this you don't have to do the question answer again.